Looking for opportunities not to trade, but still increase your crypto? Well, we're going to look at a unique strategy today on the Binance exchange. Binance is the #1 exchange of all exchanges, with the biggest volume out there, currently by almost 8 times compared to its competitors. Now, the benefit of this strategy is you don't need volume, you don't need to know how to trade. All you can do is put your funds in and let it work for you. And Binance being the #1 exchange out there, in my opinion, making this a safe option. But before we continue to the strategy, make sure to look at 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣, a smarter way to automate your crypto trading. Best crypto trading bots, algorithmic orders, portfolio management, and a free demo mode, all in one place, and even a 7-day free trial. Now, the benefit of the 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣 bots is due to the fact that it uses API keys, meaning your funds stays in your Binance exchange. Automate your crypto trading with powerful bots. 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣 helps you set simple and sophisticated trading robots to make a profit autonomously 24/7 in different market conditions. Now, going back to Binance. Binance has a unique feature called the Binance Earn. If you're in the back office, you go to Earn and you just go down to Binance Earn. Now they have the savings option, stable earnings, 0 fees, benefit from competitive interest rates, stake and earn popular cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin to Binance Coin. They have a staking option where you can lock your staking. You can see DeFi staking, ETH 2.0 staking, but I don't want to do the staking today. They have the farming option, liquidity farming, swap farming, and the launch pool. And they even have the dual investment, high yield short period. Commit your crypto holdings and enjoy high returns. Receive principal amount and returns in one currency or another. But of all of these opportunities, we're going to have a look at the savings opportunity. Now, the flexible savings, there's 2 different savings. It's the locked savings. I don't want to lock my funds in for a certain period of days. I want the ability to take out my funds whenever I need them. And that's what's making the flexible savings option unique. We're going to put 2 coins against each other with this strategy. We're going to use stablecoin, BUSD, the Binance dollar basically, and Axie Infinity, the gaming token. BUSD is giving us a 10% APY, and Axie Infinity is giving us a 20% APY. Now, the one main thing we need to do here is activate the auto transfer. This means every day when we get paid our interest, it automatically compounds on our behalf. Meaning you don't need to lock in every day. You can leave it and you can just let it turn over. So let's go to our spot wallet. We'll look for BUSD, and I'm going to convert some of my USDT to BUSD. I'm going to use $250 of USDT to buy me BUSD. Convert. So now we have $250 worth of BUSD. And I'm also going to play $250 for Axie Infinity. Convert that as well. Convert it. So now we got $250 worth of BUSD and $250 worth of Axie Infinity. Now if we go back to our fiat and spot wallet, both of these coins will be in our wallet. We'll type in BUSD and we'll go to the earn option. Clicking on earn, it gives us the flexible savings. We're going to click on flexible savings. It will take us back to the page, and here we're going to put the maximum amount of BUSD into the flexible savings. You've read the terms and conditions and you confirm. Now all of our BUSD is going to be in our earn wallet. Going back, we're going to do the same with Axie Infinity. We're going to click on earn, click on flexible. It will open for us. It open on BUSD again. Not the one we want. We'll just go back and we'll click flexible savings again. Let's do it down here. Axie subscribe. There we go. We'll tell them the maximum amount of Axie. Agree and confirm. So now in our earn wallet, we'll have BUSD and Axie Infinity. When you put your mouse on wallets, it will open all the different wallets and you can go to your earn wallet. Your earn wallet will be open with both these coins. As you can see, our dollar value is $500 total between the two. As you can see, $500 total. Now the strategy which I'll be using is I'll be locking in once a week. If the Axie Infinity price fell, I'll take the extra BUSD and buy more Axie Infinity. If the value of Axie Infinity is more than $250, I'll sell that Axie Infinity and convert it to BUSD, and whichever amount it is, I'll start buying a third coin and core number compounding the different coins and keep on building it up. You can use this strategy just to build the two different coins up, or you can use this strategy to build and add multiple coins as the market moves up and down. And with the interest rate adding additional funds for you, it's helping the cause. It's core number compounding, but you're not waiting on market conditions. You're using the interest you're getting from the flexible savings. I'll be back in a week's time. We'll see how we did and what kind of interest we gain, and if it's enough to start buying a third token. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below, and remember, smash that like and subscribe button as we make crypto gains.